Now things are coming together. There's the airplane anyway. What I was going to talk about is pilotage, and I'll put this the wrong way around given the way the light is falling. Typical. Here are two Airfix 1/48 pilots, which are blurred because the intelligent camera can't do the basic thing of focusing. Anyway, I sprayed this on with a Tamiya red brown, and I find Tamiya sprays are a little bit runny, and so it's run in and it's kind of highlighted itself, which is brilliant, and it's a little bit dark. Whereas this guy is from something else, can't remember what, but I didn't put him in. I put another figure from some set, and the guy's got a cap, and I just thought he'd look a bit groovy, but I can't remember what the airplane is. Anyway, so I've got him left over, and he's pale, so I'm going to put him in and put a wash over him and then do a bit of detail, which is a topic of complete futility because they're both exactly the same figure, but I'm going to save him up because he looks so nice for something with a, I don't know, maybe the canopy will be pulled back or something, you can see it. Anyway, there you go. As for the rest, got some tiddly bits and some glass to do, and then put the markings on. A little bit of heavy wear and tear at this point, but it will soon tone down. Right, moving on. This is the culprit. Easy Home multi-purpose spray paint, sapphire blue. That's all fine. I think I've got my finger on the crucial bit. Aldi, oh Lidl, I do apologise. Sincerely, Aldi. Now the thing is, this works fantastically on paper, wood, stone, and at least some unpolished metal. It's just the plastic that isn't going down well. So do not use this on your plastic models. You could use it on other things. There we are. What's the inverse of subliminal advertising? Anyway, just to say. Which in the end leads to the grand crisis of the model. I was going to let it off. I was going to say, oh, actually I've been a bit too harsh. All the other bits went on fine, really. The interior a bit tricky. It was the kind of spar that runs through the wings, through the fuselage to the other wing. That's the key problem. And then I came to the cockpit canopy, and I painted it. Now this is, the paintwork is an issue first. You get two types of canopy, and I painted it. And the light's a bit weird today, but you can see it doesn't match the fuselage, but I used the same paint. So I painted this. I used sticky stencil jobbies, but I painted it with the same colour as this. This, obviously, I've got a base colour, and that's interfering. And secondly, the main colour I've obviously done too thin, because in patches you can see that it's the right colour. So I've got a problem. But all of that pales into insignificance because I can't get that on. I sort of can, but it pops off. And I managed to get it on briefly with a bit of canopy glue, and I thought, hey, I'll sort out the paintwork later, and it pinged off and it flew across the room, and I nearly broke it because I nearly trod on it trying to chase it as it bounced around. There is the other one. It fits a bit better. In fact, that's the best it's fitted so far, and I can paint that the right colour, I think, and then I'll have to repaint the front section. So the spar running through the wings and fuselage not good. The canopy, tricky. Apart from that, it's all lovely, really. So it could turn, you know, it could become unredeemable, irredeemable at this point. Thank you for watching. I've got to go away and hide in a darkened room for a couple of days. Thank you for watching. There'll be other stuff. See you again soon.